watercolor, we have to take care of the materials. You have to arrange in your right hand side first close to you brushes in order, then to mix the palette. For a palette I taken glass, piece of glass, and below that I kept white paper because of I can see the color properly, which color. Otherwise, whatever other color it is there, you can't judge the color properly. So always keep white palette. Glass is transparent, so I kept under the glass white paper. So I can easily see the mixing of color. And this watercolor, you can take any company of watercolor, but it should be artist watercolor, and keep like this way, not like this way, because of this cap of the watercolor. This is for palette, so you take the color here, mix it properly, blend it properly, and then you have to take the pigment of color. Now see, before starting the color, you have to drop each color 1 or 2 drops water. So if it has become hard, so it's become soft, and whenever you need, you can take it easily. Otherwise, it should be hard. You taken after long time. So drop each and every color 1 or 2 drops on that, so you can take it easily. Now, see, I am going to start the portrait. Whenever you are doing the portrait, draw a light. But today I am drawing little bit dark because of this is the video. You can't see my drawing in a video, so for showing you I will make it dark, but later I will erase it and I will make the light drawing. In watercolor, you have to draw light drawing. See, portrait, what should we have to take care? According to page size, you have to draw as large as possible. So if this paper is half imperial paper, so according to this page, you have to draw it large. If you want to draw small, then choose small paper. In large paper, you can't take small drawing, or you can't make large drawing. According to your page size, you have to draw it. See, first I will draw head. Head form always like a egg. So first you draw. I am drawing light drawing. Hold it your pencil from far. Use 2B pencil and watercolor or whatever you are drawing portrait, do it on the spot. Don't use copy of photo. This is not good practice when you are drawing copy of photo. And keep it in mind, confidently you have to draw it. Whatever, see, there is no need to make exact character in a portrait. Try to do the exact character, but there should be some technical point. You have to take care, proportion of eyes according to your face drawing. You have to draw in proportion eyes, nose, lip, and ear. See, this is form of shape of the face. You have to draw line here for eyes and here for nose and then here for lip. Now you have to see how direction of face. If face is front, then you have to draw middle line. Vertical line. If face is side face, then you have to draw side line. So this portrait, it's a front portrait, so I drawn vertical middle line and 3 horizontal line, 1 for eyes, 1 for nose and 1 for lip. Now see, here from eye to from lip, ear always is there. So this is the mark for ear. Both the side will come equal. Now here I will make a mark for eyes. Between 2 eyes, always 1 eye gap is there. So mark that gap, you divide in 3 parts, and 1 eye's gap keep it in middle. So between 2 eyes there should be 1 eye gap should be there. See, I drawn light drawing, so you can't see on video, but I will draw dark and I will show you. See, this is eyes mark, overall face. Now nose will come till point of eyes, both the eyes point, first point, nose will come till that. So no need to see the proportion it will come. So your nose should be not become narrow, or not, it should not become broad. And lip also, it's a both the point will come till eyeball. So that proportion also you can see how much lip will come broad, how much nose will come broad, how much eyes will come, and I shown ear also, how much long ear will come. From eyes point to lip point, ear will come. So I will make little dark so you can understand. See, there is, when you are drawing, don't draw dark drawing, but I am going to show for video my proportional drawing. I am going to show you. This is overall face like egg form. I drawn here horizontal line for eyes, then nose, then lip. Between 2 eyes there should be 1 eye gap should be there. I will divide this in 3 parts. This 2 part, eyes proportion is there, and I kept between 2 eyes 1 eyes gap. Now nose will start from this eyes point to this eyes point. So that is the proportion. Now we have to see the character of the nose. Whoever sitting in front of you, you have to see the character of eyes, see the character of nose, see the character of lip, eyebrow, hairstyle, and ear also. So you can guess the character. Now ear from eyes point to lip point. So this is your overall character, you got it. This is lip. See, I erase the darkened line. I make it light line. Now I am going to catch the character. See, if character will not come, then it's okay, but your proportion, everything should come there. Then portrait will look good. Try to catch the character. To catch the character, first you start from hair, each and every human being have different style of hair. So that is also part of character. Don't see only lip, hairstyle, form of face, everything will consider in character. So you first try to catch the hairstyle. Particular person have different hairstyle. Then you have to see the eyebrow also. Each and every person have different character of eyebrow. So that also you have to take care. And maintain the alignment. If alignment will not come in art, alignment is element of art. So that also you have to take care of alignment. And form of the eyes. Each and every person have different character of eyes. We are seeing same eyes, but it's a different character. So that also you have to catch it. And as I said, you have to maintain one eyes gap between two eyes. Before starting portrait, you have to study it individual eyes, nose, ear, lip, everything you have to study it first individual, and then you have to start the portrait. Now see, I am drawing nose. Nose also each and every person have different character. So that also you have to take care. You have to see small things while drawing the portrait. Now I am trying to draw lip. Now overall form of face. See, hold your pencil from far off your point. Don't hold to close of this point. You have to hold it from far. And make it continuous line. See, my drawing is complete. Don't draw, don't take more time to draw. You have to cover this now. It's in color. I try to catch exact character. Now I will take in color.